Hey everybody, what's up? This is Brian, and today we're gonna play a great game on the night. We are gonna play like a gun game, but this is Nerf. Just need to charge my gun over here. Okay, I think the game started. I need to recharge my gun. Oh god, oh god. Okay, let's go. Alright, ready? Let's go. Alright, ready? Oh, I just need to... There we go, okay. Alright. Oh, there's already a battle over here. Shoot somebody, let's go. Oh god, it's dodging. Oh no, I gotta dodge it. Oh, I got him. Battle's gonna go on. You missed? Did you just miss?
No, I didn't even do. No, I didn't get the ammo.
Oh, alright. Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god, that shot me. There's another. Oh god! Oh god, okay, I need to recharge again. Alright, let's charge again. Okay, let's go. We are playing, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Where are they? Where do they go? Okay, let's just go. Alright, ready? Dang it! Dang it, let's... Oh god! God! Oh god, and I'm gonna get shot! Ah, I got shot! Alright, no, we're playing again, alright. So, we're gonna get, I just need to get my pistol.
Wait, you have to bullet right here.
Alright, thanks, okay, I need that, really? Okay, let's go hide again. Go hide. Let's go hide. Let's go hide. Let's go. Don't mind them. Don't mind the people that are speaking like some language. Okay. Let's go. 6 seconds. Okay, my gun's charged. Okay, let's go. Let's go, alright. We got somebody. We got somebody over here. Okay, he's just going in the car. No, God! Oh, God! Oh, God. Oh, no! Alright, I don't know where mine go. No, give that one to me. That one's mine. Thank you. Just need to take out that bullet. I don't know if you guys can see so well, but sorry. No, not you guys. Okay, let's just go. Oh, we're still battling. Okay. Just need to get my gun. Alright, wait, we're hiding? Oh, time out. All right. What are we playing? We're playing the same gun game, right? Playing the same gun game, right?
Are we gonna play like Call of Duty?
Call of Duty, huh? Wait, we're playing gun?
I bet you.
Alright.
We're playing Inspector, Robber, and Police.
Alright.
Okay, I'll be.
Alright,
Enough people.
You need
not enough people, huh?
If only we have Bob. If only if Dylan needs him were there.
Yeah, if our other cousins were actually here.
Let's play short.
Okay.
In sector,
Okay.
the person that kills the robber.
Okay.
Any robber.
Okay,
who's
so
the-
we're playing cops and robbers.
Yeah.
Okay, who's gonna be a policeman and who's gonna be the robber?
Close your eyes.
You want me?
Close your
Okay.
eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
No peeking. No peeking.
Okay. Okay.
Wait. Open your eyes.
What?
Whoever I pick has to be a robber.
Okay.
And to let you know, I'm the person that kills the robber.
All right.
So I have to guess.
All right. Okay. Okay, just kill me in the back. Okay. Just kill.
I have to guess who I'm picking because I'm gonna.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Don't shoot us in the face. All right.
Don't shoot us. Wait, do I?
Okay, just close our eyes. All right.
Okay. But don't shoot at me. Don't shoot me right in the stomach.
Go, ready.
So he's the robber? He's the
So I'm
robber?
Hide.
Oh, we both hide?
You can't tell. No speaking in this game. Now I have to start all over.
No way. Who's the robber? Just tell us.
We can't. You can't tell.
Oh, we can't tell.
Okay.
Oh.
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Wait, me?
Both of them.
Both of us.
You're not gonna really shoot us, right?
No peeking.
We're not just gonna shoot us.
Shoot you.
All right.
Look at that.
Okay, that was okay.
Now,
I'm the
ready? Hi.
Okay, we're gonna hide. Okay, let's just get my gun. See it. We cannot run. Okay, let's go. All right, so. Oh God, I'm down. Ugh.
Who are you?
I am the robber.
Yes.
Okay, so I am the robber, everybody, and I just shot my pistol.
Still have the gun.
Oh, what is this? Okay,
Sector.
just need to get shot. Okay. Well, okay.
So am I having a gun?
Guess we're gonna record it for 2 minutes left. Okay, so
Okay.
what are we gonna do now?
Close your eyes.
Okay.
Same game. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
Ready. Ready.
Oh.
Hide.
Oh God, we're gonna hide again. I'm gonna go hide in the same place. Oh God. All right. Okay. Okay. Playing Call of Duty. We're not playing Call of Duty. Okay, just a second. Okay, my gun's reloaded. Yeah, we're ready. Okay, let's go. Okay. All right, let's go. Wait, can we shoot?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, we have to shoot Jason, right?
No talking in this game.
You shot me in my face.
Well, that means you're dead.
You almost. I said you almost shot my face. Okay, guys. That is gonna do it.
Okay. I need to
Please
find
give
my
a like and subscribe. Thank you.